somebody I could spend the rest of my life with. Like, I don't find somebody I could say yes, this is mine. But I was stupid. I was foolish in myself. I was blinded in love. I gave you my everything, the love, the attention, the care, everything a man is supposed to give in a relationship. I gave you. You broke me. You broke my heart. You broke me. You just damaged my heart into pieces. Everything just gone. Just gone. Tell me, what have I not done? What have I not done? I guess this is the reason. But people say, wisdom, you're too young. Don't get yourself stuck in something you cannot take. You're too inexperienced. You're still young. I guess this is what she's talking about. This is the inexperience she's talking about. I know you will not make me cry, but I am promising myself that after this, I won't let this kind of thing happen to me. But truth be told, I am just surprised. Because where was this Stanley? Where was Stanley when you were lying sick at the hospital bed? Where was he? Stanley was nowhere to be found. When you were financially broke, he was nowhere. You come here and tell me I'm not fit, I've not been trying. I've been giving you everything, every single dime of my attention. I've been giving you. It's gonna take time for me to get off this. Promise to myself. After this, I'm gonna stand strong.